Hi everybody, Miss Rebecca here. So today I'm going to show you how to sign up for summer reading using Beanstack. So Beanstack is an online program, and today I'm going to show you how to sign up using the online web version. And in a separate video, I'll show you how to sign up using the app, the Beanstack app. And then next week, I will show you how to log your reading minutes and how to complete challenges and all that awesome stuff. But today we're just going to start up with how to sign up for summer reading using Beanstack. So first, you are going to go to our library's homepage, createlibrary.org. And you'll scroll down until you see Summer Reading Fun 2021, and you'll click on that. And then you will see Summer Reading 2021, and it's going to be in red letters, and you're going to click on that. This will actually bring you to Beanstack, where you can start registering. So you will do create an account, register an individual or family. So when it comes to the screen that says, who would you like to register? There are the options of choosing either I am registering myself or I am an adult registering a child. So we're going to say that we're an adult who wants to participate in summer reading and also wants to sign up our kids. So in that case, we're first going to register ourselves for the adult program, and then we will add readers onto our account and sign them up for summer reading, the youth services version. So we're going to choose I am registering myself. All right, and now we're just going to fill out the reader's information. So the reader, in this case, that is us. We are going to say that this is Kimberly Johnson. After you fill out your information, at the bottom of the screen, you'll see what grade level will you be and what school you attend this fall. So for that, you'll just choose adult or not applicable and just keep on moving. All right, so once you have filled out your reader information and clicked next, the next screen will say select at least one reading challenge to continue. And we are going to choose the 2021 Adult and Teen Summer Reading Program. So we will click pre-register. And we've unlocked our first badge, which is a Cone Cottage coupon. You can come to the library to pick that up. All right, so now that we're registered, it's going to say, would you like to add another adult? So if you have another adult that wants to sign up on your account, click yes. You can have the whole family. You can have all the adults, all the kids signed up under one account on Beanstack, which makes it really, really easy to use. So if you have another adult that you want to sign up, say yes. And if you don't, say no, and then it'll bring you to the next screen. All right, the next screen says, would you like to add a child? And this is how you're going to add your kids onto your account. And the kids need to be registered under an adult's account. So the kids won't have their own separate accounts. They'll have their own pages under your account, but they need to be registered under an adult's account. So would you like to add a child? We are going to say yes. All right, so now you are going to fill out all the information for your child. So their name, their age, what grade they'll be in the fall, what school they're going to attend, what local area they reside in. You're going to fill all of that out, and then it'll go to the next screen. All right, so once you register your child, you will see a screen that says badge unlocked, and the rewards are a Cone Cottage coupon. So now you can come into the library and pick that up also. All right, so the next screen says, would you like to add another child? So you can either say yes or no. And if later on in the summer you want to sign someone else up underneath your account, that's totally fine. You can add more readers at any point during summer reading. So now that we've signed up the readers, I'll show you how to switch between the different readers' views. So right now, Kimberly's challenges are up on the screen. So that's the adult reader that we just created. But if we wanted to see her child's page, you would go to the upper right-hand corner and click on Kimberly's name, and then you'll see the child's name underneath, Anna. So if you click on Anna, then you'll see Anna's challenges. So however many readers you sign up for underneath your account, just click on the name in the upper right hand corner and you can switch between all the different readers, and it's really as easy as that. So that is how you sign up for Beanstack on the web version for summer reading.